Hey, you guys are watching Bird Up, the worst show on television. Superman, come on in. What's your favorite movie?
No, don't put my shirt up.
What's your all right,
What's
just
my favorite movie?
talk to me like I'm Osama bin Laden.
Come on, don't do that.
No, they won't even see me. It just look like your shirt's lifting up. All right, talk to me like I'm Osama bin Laden.
My shirt lift up. All right, that's enough.
Yeah. Bird Up. Hey, what's up, man? Ignore me, I'm not even here. Bird Up. Come talk to me, man. Bird Up. Come on in. Just put this hat on, and we're gonna use morph technology. They won't even see me. Bird Up. They won't even see me. Bird Up. You guys are watching Bird Up. What do you think about me?
Oh, you handsome.
You got some poppy seed in your mouth.
Oh, boy.
Yeah, they won't even see me. All right, now talk to the bird like that. Yeah, boobay, 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 two fingers, yeah, boobay, yeah, boobay, yeah, boobay.